What's going on, everyone? Got a 2022 Audi A3. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote batteries. Replacing the battery is really simple. We're just going to go to the back of the remote. We have this panel here. Just going to use a flathead screwdriver, and all we got to do is go in at it at the side here. So you want a pretty thin little screwdriver. Just pry up this panel that you have here, and you can remove the panel itself. Okay. So the battery here, again with the flathead screwdriver, you use one of these slots. There's a bunch of these little slots here. Just going to use one of these slots to put the screwdriver in, and we can pull the battery right out. Okay. I'm going to show you what size the battery is. Battery size is a CR2032. You notice that it has this positive sign here. That's going to be facing outwards, and we're going to stick it in the remote like this. Okay, it's going to go in the side first, and then it pops right in. Okay, if you need one of these batteries, check the description box. I got a link to Amazon if you want to get a battery. If you haven't bought one already, they're like $1. So, but as far as the back cover goes, it only goes on one way. Okay, I see these, it has these two little feet right here. This is actually the bottom. They're gonna go in the holes like that, and all we got to do is push it all back together, and we're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you like and subscribe.